So now hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can add your Facebook leads to ActiveCampaign automatically. So I'm an owner of a business and I promote my business using Facebook lead ads and I manage the CRM of my business using ActiveCampaign. Over here what I want that as soon as a new lead is generated in my business using Facebook lead ads, I want to add that lead as a contact in my ActiveCampaign account. Now creating this contact manually is a very time consuming part because every single day I receive multiple leads through Facebook lead ads. So now to solve the problem, I've simply created a connection between Facebook lead ads and ActiveCampaign. Now this entire process is going to be done automatically. So if you want to learn the entire process of how you can build this connection as well for your business, for that I will take you towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. Okay, what I will do is I will generate a test Facebook lead and then check whether that test lead is added as a contact into my ActiveCampaign account or not. So now for generating a test lead using Facebook lead ads, I will be opening Meta's lead ads testing tool. So this is my Meta's lead ads testing tool. Now to generate a lead, I will click on this preview form button. So now over here, this is the lead gen form. For the first name, I'll write over here as demo. For the last name, let's suppose I'll write it as lead. For email, I'll write it as demo@pabblytudes.com. Then it is asking for the phone number, for which I will enter a dummy mobile number right here. So I've added in all the details. Click on this continue button and on submit to generate a test lead. As I've done that, you can see it says thanks, your lead is all set. As now the test lead is generated, let me go back to my ActiveCampaign account and check whether a new contact has been created or not. So let me go back to my ActiveCampaign account. So this is my ActiveCampaign contacts page. I'll refresh this page from here. As I've refreshed the page, you will see a new contact has been added in the name of demo lead, email demo@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number you can see right here. Okay. So now this is how this amazing automation is going to work in real time, and now let's create it. On a new tab, browse www.pabbly.com/connect and you will come to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Over here on the landing page, you have two options. But before we get into the creation of this automation, I want to talk about what Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. Go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below, okay? On the landing page of Pabbly Connect, as I was telling, there are two options. If you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user, just like I am, sign into your Pabbly Connect account from here. Then all Pabbly app section is going to appear. If you want to use Pabbly Connect, click on this Access Now button and Pabbly Connect dashboard is going to appear in front of you. To create an automation, click on this Create Workflow button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster and flexible, select the new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select this classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here, and firstly it is asking for the name of my workflow. So let me name my workflow right now. I will name it Add Your Facebook Leads to ActiveCampaign folder. These are the folders from which I will select workflows folder and click on this create button. As soon as I've done that, you will see that automatically a workflow has been created. Okay. Now over here inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Let me set up my trigger step first, and for my trigger application, I will select over here as what Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated through Facebook lead ads, the trigger should capture the response of that event. Over here, the event is going to be new lead instant. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will tell you how you can add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. And then over here, it is asking for the permission for my account, for which I'll click on this continue button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. The connection was super easy because already on a new tab, I've logged into my Facebook account and Facebook page. So that is why the connection was super easy. Firstly, it is asking for us to select select the page using which we are promoting our Facebook lead ads. I have created a page in the name of Digital Dynamics. That's my digital marketing agency business page. And using this page, I'm promoting my Facebook lead ads. So I'll select this page from the drop down right here. Okay. For the form, I've created a form in the name of new lead ads form, with the help of which I'm collecting my leads data. Okay, as I want the simple response, I'll toggle this button and click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will generate a test lead and then check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. Okay, so again, let me open my Meta's lead ads testing tool in order to generate a test lead. Okay, so this is my Meta's lead ads testing tool. Firstly, you have to select the page. I've created a page in the name of Digital Dynamics. I've selected it, and the form that I've created in the name of new lead ads form. Okay. Now, as I've already generated a test lead before in the starting of this video, so as already a test lead has been generated, it says you can generate one lead per form. You need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. Okay. As I've already generated a test lead, you have to delete that existing lead. For that, delete the lead from here and then refresh this page and the lead is going to be deleted. I've already done that. So now let us again generate a test lead. For that, click on this preview form button. So this is my lead gen form. Now let us generate a test lead. For the first name, let's suppose I'll write it over here as dummy. For the last name, let's suppose I'll write it as user. For the email, I'll write it as dummy45@pabblytudes.com. Then it is asking for the phone number, for which I will enter a dummy mobile number right here. After adding in all the details, I'll click on this continue button and on the submit button to generate the test lead. As soon as I have done that, it says thanks, you're all set. That means now the test lead has been generated. Let me go back to my workflow and check whether in my trigger the response of this test lead has been captured or not. Okay, so let me go back, and yes, over here in my trigger you can see the response has been captured. First name dummy, last name user, email dummy45@pabblytudes.com with this phone number. So as now the response has been captured over here in my trigger, this means that Facebook lead ads has been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now let us add this lead into our ActiveCampaign account. For that, simply add an action step, in which for the action application, select over here as what ActiveCampaign, and the event is going to be create a contact. Then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, we need to provide the URL and the API key. To have the details, log into your ActiveCampaign account and go towards the settings section of your ActiveCampaign account and developer. Over here, you will find the URL. Copy this URL from here, paste over here in the field. I'll remove the HTTPS from the front of this URL right now. And then it is asking for the API key, for which I'm going to copy this key from here and paste over here in the field and click on the save button. This is how you build the connection. After that, it is asking for the details of the contact that we want to create. For the data of these fields, we'll map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field, previous step is going to appear, click on it. Email, this is the email, and as I want to create this lead as a contact, I'll select the data of this email from my previous response. As now selected the data of this email from my previous response, the data in this field has been what? Mapped. And as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step of the new lead, the data over here is going to be updated where we have mapped it. Okay. First name, let me map the data of the first name. In the similar manner, let me map the data of the last name. And lastly, the phone number. If you want to enter the preferred language, you can also do that. I do not want that, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, I've received this response, which is a positive response. If I'm going to open the contacts page of my ActiveCampaign account from here, you will see a new contact has been created in the name of dummy user, email dummyyuser@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number. Okay. So as now the contact has been created, this is how simple it is to create this amazing automation, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. If you have questions or doubts related to this workflow that I have created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Businesses have so many benefits of using this automation right here, because all your leads will be systematically created as a contact into your CRM application. Having a systematic record of all the leads are super important for business, and it's very crucial. Okay. If you want to use the free template of this workflow that I've created, you can check out the link in the description section below, where we have added the shareable workflow link. Okay. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.